Good morning kids, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Kids, I am your EVS teacher. Kids, open your book chapter 6, that is good habits and manners. Kids, in this chapter we have learned about good manners and habits. First of all kids, we must take good care of our body. We must neat and clean our surrounding. Why we need and clean our surrounding kids? So that we can stay fit and healthy. हम बच्चों इस चैप्टर में हम गुड हैबिट्स, अच्छी आदतें और सब के बारे में सीखेंगे. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हमें हमारी बॉडी यानी शरीर का अच्छे से ध्यान रखना चाहिए. हमें अपने आसपास साफ सफाई रखनी चाहिए. क्यों? ताकि हम स्वस्थ रह सकें. First of all, we have to learn about good habit. What is good habits? Good habit keep us fit and healthy. First of all, what point should be come in good habits? We have to learn this. Like first, get up early in the morning. First point, get up early in the morning. मतलब हमें सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए. Second, go to the toilet. मीन्स सुबह उठ के सबसे पहला काम क्या करना चाहिए बच्चों? हमें टॉयलेट जाना चाहिए. आफ्टर फ्लश द टॉयलेट आफ्टर यूजिंग इट. मीन्स टॉयलेट जाने के बाद हमें फ्लश करना चाहिए. क्लियर? फर्स्ट 3 पॉइंट आई रिपीटेड. गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. सेकेंड, गो टू टॉयलेट. थर्ड, फ्लश द टॉयलेट आफ्टर यूजिंग इट. फोर्थ, वॉश योर हैंड with soap after using toilet. What is the fourth point? Wash your hands with soap after using toilet. मीन्स हमें टॉयलेट के बाद अपने हाथों को साबुन से अच्छे से धोना चाहिए. ये ताकि कोई भी जर्म्स या ना रह जाए हमारे हाथों में. आफ्टर दैट, ब्रश योर टीथ एवरी मॉर्निंग एंड नाइट. यानी सुबह और रात को, यानी सुबह उठने के बाद और रात को सोने से पहले हमें क्या करना चाहिए? अपने ब्रश में टीथ को ब्रश करना चाहिए. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज टेक अ बाथ. टेक अ प्रॉपर बाथ. हमें क्या करना चाहिए? डेली अच्छे से नहाना चाहिए. वाइप योर बॉडी विथ क्लीन टॉवेल. हियर आई यूज क्लीन टॉवेल, नॉट अ टॉवेल, बिकॉज we have to use clean towel so that in that towel no germs are there. Clear? Wipe your body with a clean towel. Wash your face properly. Face, ear, nose properly. Clean your ear, face, nose properly. Keep your hands on mouth while coughing. वाइल कफिंग मीन्स यानी हमें खांसते समय अपने हाथ को किस पे रखना चाहिए? मुंह पे रखना चाहिए. कि ऑलवेज कीप योर हैंडकरचीफ विथ यू. हमें हमेशा अपने साथ में रुमाल रखना चाहिए. क्यों रुमाल रखना चाहिए बच्चों? अब सपोज हमें कफिंग आ रही है या स्नीजिंग आ रही है तो सो वी कैन यूज हैंडकरचीफ in that condition. If we are in the class or if we are in the principal office, somewhere in public office, we should learn if we are sneezed or coughed there, we should use handkerchief in their condition. Clear? I repeat all this point. See in your book kids. First point, get up early in the morning. Second, go to the toilet. Third, flush the toilet after using it. Fourth, wash your hands with soap after using the toilet. Fifth, brush your teeth every morning and night. Sixth, take a proper bath. Seventh, wipe your body with a clean towel. Seventh, clean your ears, nose and face properly. Next, wear neat and clean clothes. Next, keep your hands on mouth while coughing. Next, always keep your handkerchief with you. Dear students, now next, we should eat healthy food. We should eat healthy food. We doesn't eat junk food. Junk food means noodles, burger, pizza. We doesn't eat this type of food because these foods harms our body. We should eat fruits, vegetable, healthy food we have to eat. Here, drink clean water. Means we have to drink the clean water. Clear? Next, follow good habits. हमें अच्छी आदतें क्या करना चाहिए? Follow करना चाहिए. Cut your nails and hair on time. Cut your nails. Why we cut our nails on time or hair on time? We should cut nails because if we have very big nails, so in that nails the germs are there required and we doesn't clean all the time. So and in student life, it's not good to be glue the nails. Clear? Next is do some exercise also. Means daily we have to do some exercise because exercise keeps our body fit and healthy. Clear? Physically fit and mentally fit. Both fitness it comes when we do exercise and yoga. Clear? Next is keep your back straight while standing and sitting. Keep your back straight while standing and sitting means हमें बैठते या खड़े रहते समय अपनी पीठ को कैसे रखना चाहिए? सीधा रखना चाहिए. क्यों? अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे तो हमारी बैक पे क्या होगा? असर होगा. क्लियर? और ये दिखने में भी नहीं अच्छा लगता. इट नॉट लुक सो गुड इफ वी आर नॉट standing and sitting straight. Clear? The next is, and the last one, sleep for 8 hours at night. We should sleep at least 8 hours because we should take proper rest, because in early morning we get up and till night we should do some work. We have to go school, do study, playing. So our body goes to tired. When we take rest, so our body goes to charge it. Clear? Our good habit, finish it. Now there is some point you have to be learn good habits. Clear? The next is habit of cleanliness. Cleanliness, it is very important to keep our surrounding clean. Dirty surrounding can make us many disease. Students, you have to be know that it is very important. ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हमारी चारों तरफ साफ सफाई हो, क्योंकि गंदगी से बहुत ज्यादा बीमारियां आ जाती हैं. Dirty surrounding can cause many disease. Now you know about corona. There is also a big pandemic time. So we should take proper cleanness in our surrounding. Clear? First of all, keep our home clean. First of all, we should keep our home clean. Our study room, our drawing room, our bedroom, we should take proper cleanness. Second, keep your school bag, books, pen, pencil, shoes in proper place. It is very important that all the things are in their place. Means school, where we have to be put our school bags, where we have to be put books, pencil, pen, our dress, our clothes, our shoes. Because if we have to make the things in their place, so it is very easy when we have to be take it, so we get on that time. If we put our books here and there or dress here there, when we need it on time, we should not get it and it wastes our time a lot. So it is very important that we should take these things in their place. And second thing, if we are throw here and there, it also can maybe dirt that thing, so it not get the clean things on that time. Third one, keep all things in room clean. means we have to be clean our room and things. Whatever the things are in their room, that things also be very clean, neat and clean. No things are here and there. Clear? In this chapter, today we learn about good habits and habit of cleanliness. Kids, you have to read this chapter, learn good habits. So today, thank you class and have a nice day.